Hi guys! So for today's video, we are going to discuss how to solve the missing part of a chord using the intersecting chord theorem. And we have the formula A times B is equal to C times D. Anong ibig sabihin nun? So we have here two chords na nag-intersect, okay? Let's focus dun sa vertical na chord natin, okay? So this one is part A and this one is part B. Now, kapag minultiply natin tong part na to with this part, ibig sabihin nakabuo sila ng isang chord, equal siya dun sa product din ng mga parts ng isang chord, which is yung horizontal chord natin. So, yung C, i-multiply mo siya kay D, pareho sila ng magiging product. Okay? Hindi pwedeng magkapalit-palit yung inyong mga factors, ha? Hindi pwedeng i-multiply si A, itong part na to, tas ito, ha? Hindi rin pwedeng ito saka ito. Dapat yung minumultiply nyo yung makakabuo ng isang chord. Okay? Bawal magkabaliktad. Ulit ha. Dapat yung imumultiply nyo yung mabubuo yung isang chord. Yung isang specific chord. Okay? Now, let's apply it here. Okay? So, we are going to have AB is equal to CD. O sige, sino ang i-represent natin as A? Ito na lang. Ito si A, ito si B. So, we have here A times B is equal to C times D. Kung ito si A, we have 4 times 12 is equal to, ano ang C natin? Suppose this one is C and this is D. So, we have 8 times X. Okay? So, what is now 4 times 12? We have 48 is equal to 8 times X. We have 8X. Okay, dahil x lang yung hinahanap natin, we have to divide yung parehong sides with 8. Okay? So what will be the value of your x? We have here, 48 divided by 8 is just 6. Okay, so the measure of this one is 6. Ganun lang siya kadali. Now you try to solve for x in this circle. So you have here x and then 16 and then 10 and 8. What will be the value of this missing part? Okay, don't forget to follow for more math videos and remember that sharing is caring. Bye!